Whether you're replacing a key valve or looking for a new one for your project, the sizes can cause some confusion. So when it comes to key valves like this, there's two different sizes for the actual valve itself. So the gas is flowing basically straight through here, where this is just the fitting for the flange and where the key goes into it. So, but your gas fittings are going here. So these are going to come in either 1/2 inch or 3/4. In front of me here is a larger 3/4 valve. So when you have a bigger BTU need, bigger gas line, you might want to use the 3/4 valve. But so it's going to be a 3/4 NPT pipe fitting. So that is going to require pipe sealant on it, whether it's a hard pipe or flex line going in and out. And that really has no effect on this fitting here, which is the flange fitting. So this could be also 1/2 inch or 3/4. Typically that's going to be standard from the valve manufacturer. So whether this valve is a 1/2 inch or 3/4 as far as the gas goes, that doesn't mean this will be 1/2 inch or 3/4 to align with that. So this is a Dante valve I have here. All of their flange fittings are going to be a 1/2 inch fitting, regardless of if the gas fittings are 1/2 or 3/4. So it's always going to be a 1/2 inch. So if you're getting a decorative flange, for example, like this one here, you want to be sure that the threads are going to match up and also be 1/2 inch to match that. Same goes for other brands. They might be 3/4 regardless of the gas fitting size.